I have two new mini bikes that someone gave me to fix. So they gave me a B200R and a Realtree RT200. And they're basically the same. What they want me to do is they want me to take the carb off that engine, put it on that engine, and use that and put that Predator 212, brand new by the way, on here. So let's get started. Alright, so we have the bike all set. Let's diagnose a few issues. So first, you got the rectifier just lying here. The back tire is not even on. But what he wants is to remove this carburetor, put it on the green bike, and take this whole engine off and put this one on. So let's get to it, right? I can now take off the engine. I'll have to remove the throttle cable first. Get it out. With the engine now done, I can open it up. Alright, now I can take off the coils. Got the coil now. I'll save this card for later. Brand new engine, by the way. I gave it a wipe down. Boy, that's a lot. It looks a lot cleaner, I'll say. There used to be hella dirt right there. The thing I like about these Hemi engines that I do not like about the other ones is the air filter, the tube right here, is straight up right there. Meanwhile, on the non-Hemi, you have to route it under. It's hard to explain, but you have to route it under all that just to get it to right here where this air filter is. But that's what I like about these engines. So yeah, the engine's on. Yeah, the bike looks way cleaner. I used this, some compress there. Yeah, I mean, brand new. So with this bike done, I'm gonna start moving on to this bike. So, well, I'm gonna do a cool transition. All right. So there's no issues with this one. I just gotta take the carburetor off and put it and swap the other one from that engine onto here. But first, I'm gonna dust this bike off too. got the new carb in. Now, it's time to fill her up. Oh, man, that cap is tight. Got the gas flowing through it. I'm gonna move my phone in case the thing decides to fly off. I'll put you right there. Alright. See if it'll start. That bike definitely runs all right. Oh yeah. That one definitely runs. Good morning. It is day 2. So, got those 2 bikes working. I just gotta go get fuel for that one. So yeah. So I'm on my way to my local AutoZone, and I need to get, what I normally get is I normally get 10W30. Not too thick, it's not too thin. So I'm just gonna grab some, throw some gas in it, and I'm gonna fire it up. This is so much quieter. It's also deeper as well. Alright, so both of these bikes run now, and soon it will be time to return them, but I want to put a torque converter on this form, so I might. But yeah, these bikes run. Thank you for watching, and I'll upload a part 2 if I need to, so it'll probably be short, but thanks for watching.